we turn to the sea, not just as water and horizon, but as a keeper of stories. For centuries, these waves have carried more than ships. They have carried voices, dreams, and destinies. From distant shores to this island at the heart of the Mediterranean, here in Malta, every current leaves a trace, every journey becomes a memory, and every story finds a place to belong. These are not only stories of the past, they live within us, in our homes, in our traditions, in the bonds we share. Tonight, we bring them back to life. The sea is alive. It breathes with time, whispers through the waves, and carries the echoes of those who came before us. Every ripple holds a story, waiting to be discovered. Across the endless blue, journeys find their way, guided by stars, by wind, by hope. They arrive here, an island in the heart of the Mediterranean. Malta, a place of shelter, meeting, new beginnings. Here, stories come ashore, take root, and begin to belong.
ċiddur bil-mod, kont mifxula u bħat l-iftitriq. Ma konna tikkastaħat, ma fittix tinżom kuntat, intajt meħbib, nfittix bis-siskiet. Għal-kem fħajti ma bdejċej, għal-komuni sibna b'mejn. Ifkom għal-kem, nfittxu l-xulxin.
As the stories settle on this land, they begin to change. They enter our homes, our voices, our dreams. They live in the words we share and in the silence we understand. In a child's eyes, they become imagination. In everyday moments, they become tradition. They shape how we see the world and how we remember it. No longer carried by the sea, they are carried by us. Over time, these stories become more than memories. They live in our gestures, our traditions, the bonds we share. Passed through generations, they shape who we are, a living heritage carried through time. And now, these stories rise once more. From the depths of the sea to the vastness of the sky, they become light, wonder, celebration. Tonight, as we mark the 25th anniversary of the Malta International Fireworks Festival, they shine brighter than ever, a tribute to the past, a gift to the present, a story shared with the world.